Thank you all so much. I can't help but start before I roll this podium off the platform. But the word you used, authenticity, means so much to us here. Quet, it's an honor to meet you. And so I bring greetings from my region, and I thank you, and I hope that the next several years that I'm able to serve, I can grow, learn, and earn your respect. To know that it's a priority for EPA to not only continue to be a good partner, but I would be remiss if I did not shout out Region 4,
Yes.
which from the time that I've gotten here, I've heard how many rock stars I have.
That's
so
right.
I'm going to be very public in saying that I'm not going to allow headquarters to take my rock stars. You've done a great job, and I hope that we can continue to earn your respect and the commitment that we've had in this area. It helps to have advocates and partners who want to make sure that communities across the South are safe and healthy. It also means a lot to know that the Gullah Geechee people, similar to the people in my native home of Barbados, St. Michael's Parish, have ties and connections to the land and water that sustain and feed them physically and spiritually. Coastal living, as we all know and you all experience every day, is a different type of living. And it's a paradise within itself.
Yes.
When my grandfather was a diplomat, there was a saying from the Sustainable Goals that said we're well able to meet the needs of the present without compromising future generations to meet their own. What we've seen is a severe compromise of how we've treated you and this community, and how we have a responsibility and an obligation to do better. In addition to these things that we spoke about, I want to applaud the work of the Gullah Geechee people under the leadership of Queen Quet as they have established a steep environmental presence in South Carolina and really across the country. EPA has worked a lot over the years with the Gullah Geechee as they continue to work to preserve culture, and not only the culture of this community, but their home. And as stated by Administrator Regan at the National Environmental Justice Environmental Council meeting in January, there is no higher priority than ensuring that all people have clean air to breathe, clean water to drink, and an opportunity to live a healthy life. Therefore, our work to advance equity and justice will continue to be a central driver in each and everything that we do in EPA Region 4. And I want you to know that it's not the title as a regional administrator, it's my commitment as an individual that has ties to this community, but also as a resident of the South that understands the dire impacts of climate impact and environmental injustices that affect our communities. So again, I'm honored to be in the position to continue this work at the highest levels. And Region 4 will continue to be here providing support. Thank you again, and congratulations on the Community Star Award.
Thank you, sir. Cause, should I say cause? Thank you, cause.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate it.